Employed at first as a fowler, he gradually worked his way down the Pacific coast until he reached Lima, where the divine call at last manifested itself clearly. John became a cooperator brother in the Dominican Priory of St. Mary Magdalene in Lima. Given the office of porter, he set about at once serving the poor who came to the priory gate for alms. He is distinguished for his great devotion to the rosary and unrivaled supplications for the souls in purgatory. St. John Macias died on September 17, 1645, and was canonized by Pope Paul VI. San Juan Macias,
Ipanalangin mo kami.
accompanying the image of San Juan Macias is his chaplain, Brother Michael Angelus de Badi Magnatica OP, together with the following: UST Angelical College, Quezon City; UST Angelical College alumni, Pag-ibig Sanayan;